As I said in our last lesson or tutorial, we are going to learn how to add products to the merchant dashboard. So we can start with one product and you can scale from there. So now you come to the products tab and click on the add products sub tab. Now you can see that this form is not highlighted yet until you select a web shop to add products to. As I told you in the last tutorial, a merchant can have more than one product or more than one web shop rather. So you click on this drop down and select the web shop you want to add products to. So now I want to add products to Nelson Ventures. I select that. Then I want to add a Nike shoe. So I look for a category that describes what I want to add. So let's say apparel can look for that. So let's say okay, let's say Nike shoe, Nike or Adidas shoe, Nike shoe. Depending on what, this is the code for the product. Most merchants have inventory codes for the various products they sell. So you can enter that there, but for now you can say let's say World 11. Then you need to give your product a very good and brilliant description. So for example, you can say Nike shoes gives you the elegant look needed for any outing. So just give basic descriptions about the product that will make people really want to buy that product. Now the features can be things like the size, let's say it is 43, the color, let's say it is black. Does he have a lace? He has a lace, black lace also, black lace. And you can go on and on based on the features your product has. Then this is the price, and when entering the price, don't put any comma or any dot between the figures, just write the price of the product. So let's say it goes for 60,000 naira. Then the quantity in stock, let's say 6. Then here you have images, so you upload from your system, because you should save that image on your system and then upload onto the merchant's dashboard. So you click on the upload from system button and bring your mouse here and click on these drop files to upload. Now if I go here, I have some shoes here. Okay, I have an Adidas shoe here, and I open. So you allow the image to load first before you, okay, now you see that the shoe is now on this dashboard. So you check this image's main button, because you can have more than one image for a particular product. So the very first image you add should be the main image, and this is the source ID to tell the consumer or the merchant how it will be arranged to the consumer. So you tell the system that you want it to be the first one as source ID. So tags, basically, if people search on this platform, your shoe should be able to come up. So you can have things like shoes, you can have things like say okay, Nike, and have boots. So things you see people searching for, and your product should be able to come up when they do that search. Then you have the minimum order quantity. This basically tells the system that for your product, you don't want people to order below a certain number. So for this one, we just have 1 as the minimum order. So the merchant will tell you if he or she wants to have more than that for bulk purchases. Now you have the product size, very small, more than 20 units can be carried by a dispatch bike, 10 to 20 units can be carried by so this is basically the size of the product. So this is very important, so that we know how to inform the delivery providers on the size of the product, and also the price the consumer will see for delivery also. So let's select 5 to 10 units can be carried by a dispatch bike. Yes, that should be it. So you check this also, and you select active so that your product can be visible. Enter a delivery price. So this is just basic price, you can, so let's make it the default of 100 naira. And then the weight of the product, if you have a weighing machine or what you can use to weigh the product, you can do that, but let's leave it as 1 for now. So now you see that the add product button is now checked, is now highlighted, so you can click on add product and wait for the page to load. So now we have products created. Your product has been created successfully. You can modify the product by editing any of the fields and resubmitting. You click on OK. So we've added that product. So in our next lesson, we will look at how to view a product that has been added and probably edit the product, and then go further to learn how to send a request for activation to the bank admin to be able to activate the merchant's web shop. Thank you.